Next we start installing the 49 cubic centimeters gas ATV. Open the box, then use a wrench to remove the bolts and nuts from the metal frame. After disassembling the frame, take out the mini ATV. These are the items included in the tool kit. Please check and confirm if anything is missing. The tools you will need for front tire assembly are number 5 Allen wrench and number 17 wrench. Insert the front wheel into the front axle with the brake disc facing inward. Align the mounting holes on the brake caliper with the fixing holes. Insert the bolt and tighten it. Screw in the nut on the front wheel. Insert the black rubber cap onto the front wheel, and install the other front wheel in the same way. The tools you will need for handlebar and number plate assembly are number 10 wrench. Align the press block with the mounting hole and insert the bolt near the seat direction. Insert the number plate. Insert the remaining 2 bolts and tighten them. Adjust the angle of the handlebar and tighten all the bolts. After assembly, please test the brake to ensure it has been installed correctly. The tools you will need for rear shock installation are number 12 wrench and number 13 wrench. Remove the bolt and nut from the rear suspension. Lift the rear swing arm and align the rear suspension with the mounting holes. Insert the bolt and nut, then tighten them. The tools you will need for chain cover assembly are number 5 Allen wrench. Insert the 3 bolts into the corresponding holes and tighten them. The tools you will need for front bumper assembly are number 10 wrench. Remove the bolts from the frame. Align the bolt holes on the front bumper with the bolt holes on the frame, and insert the bolts. Tighten the bolts. Remove the packaging bag from the seat. Align the slot under the seat with the frame and insert it. Push down the rear end of the seat to secure it in place. Peel off the protective film from the stickers, and your ride is ready to enjoy.